Okay, so good day class. So our lesson for today is piecewise function. So a piecewise function is a function defined by two or more functions. So this is not just parang ordinary functions na isa lang yung meron kang isang expression lang to define a function. So in this case, this kind of function is defined by two or more function. Okay, so for example, we have f of x equals 3x squared if x is greater than or equal to 5, and then x plus 1 if x is between negative 2 to 5, and then we have negative 4x squared if x is less than or equal to 2. Okay, so itong tatlong intervals na to, these are the divided domains. So for example, if we have a set of all real numbers, so itong tatlong to ay nag-divide sa set of all real numbers. Okay? Ito namang 3x squared, x plus 1, negative 4x squared, ito yung mga functions mo na nagde-define sa f(x) mo. Okay, so we can evaluate functions or piecewise functions based on the domain. So for example, if we want to find f of 10, okay, so to evaluate piecewise function, you have to know first if the value of x is na-belong siya sa isang intervals dito sa tatlo. So note that 10 belongs to the first interval, x is greater than or equal to 5, kasi 10 is greater than or equal to 5. So we choose 3x squared. So f of 10 is 3x squared when x is equal to 10. So we have 3 times 10 squared. This is equal to 3 times 100, or we have 300. So what about if we want to evaluate f of negative 5? Okay, so saan siya na-belong ang negative 5 sa domain na ito? So note that negative 5 is less than or equal to this is negative 2. X is less than or equal to negative 2. Kasi negative 5 is less than or equal to negative 2. So meaning we use negative 4x squared. So f of negative 5 is negative 4x squared, where x is equal to negative 5. So this is negative 4 times negative 5 squared. Okay, so negative 5 squared is positive 25, so we have negative 4 times 25. This is negative 100. Okay, so what about f of 0? Saan na-belong yung 0? Okay, so note that 0 is between negative 2 and 5. So since 0 is in this interval, so we use the function x equals x plus 1. So we have x plus 1 when x equals 0, so we have 0 plus 1 equals 1. What about f of 100? So note that 100 belongs to x greater than or equal to 5, kasi 100 is greater than or equal to 5. So we use 3x squared. So we have 3x squared. We have 3x squared, or 3 times 100 squared. So what is 100 squared? That is 10,000. So 3 times 10,000. So this is equal to 30,000. So yan yung piecewise function.